Hello everyone, we're picking up where we left off with our last video. We did a batch render last, and now we are ready to check our batch render and we're ready to output our batch render to After Effects where we can make a little video out of it. Okay, so let's first open up After or FCheck to check our rendered images and make sure that everything looks good. So FCheck is inside of Maya by default. As I do is search for it. You can also find it inside of the folder that Maya is installed in underneath your program folders. That's it right there. Okay, so now I just have to go and search for Open Animation, and images are underneath. So I'm looking at the images folder underneath my project folder. I just had it already pulled up, so it went straight there. I just click the first one and hit Open, and then it'll play my animation I just batch rendered out. So that looks good. Okay. So this isn't a video. FCheck doesn't make videos for you. It's just for you to be able to preview what you did. So I'm happy with that. So I'll go ahead and close this down, and I'll jump into After Effects. I already opened After Effects, and it's just sitting ready to go. It takes a little while to boot up, so I got that one prepped. Okay, this is After Effects. I'm not going to go through a big user interface breakdown of After Effects because I don't use it very frequently. It's just for me to take batch render videos from Maya and in here we can composite them together or just put them as a short clip and render them out, which is what we're going to do. So in After Effects, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create what's called a composition, which is where it's essentially your project file kind of, and everything you import, clips and audio and whatever, they all go inside your composition. And you can have more than one. You can have 8, 9, 10, 11 video clips. You can have more than that. Same with audio clips, and you just bring them into this composition, stack them however you want. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to create one. So go to Composition, New Composition. And this is a bit long. I don't need it to be 559. I think that even 30 is probably a little bit too long, but we'll see. Okay. All right, so if the screen is black, here's composition 1 has been selected. This is the composition area. So now we need to bring in our actual footage. So we're going to go to File, Import, File, and Solar System 1. This is from my images, but we just looked in FCheck. Same thing. This is them right here. Just open up the first one, go to OK, and then here is the clip that is our whole FCheck sequence. So you can't see it over here yet because it's not part of the composition yet. I have to drag it down to here. So I'll left mouse button drag it from here down into the composition. Now it's part of the composition, and you can see this blue block right here that makes up the composition length. And it looks like it may be actually longer than we have for the composition. So let's go ahead and press play and see what we got. So press play, and we'll just kind of go through here. Yeah, it's not near long enough. Okay, so I'm going to have to go and change my composition settings to encompass all of our footage here. So go to composition, right mouse button, composition settings. Right now it's at 30. I need that to be 3000. Let's try that. Okay, let's pull this out. Okay, so it looks like it actually needs to be right in here. So it's 7 seconds. Okay. Now let's test it. We'll do what's called a RAM preview. That will buffer all the way through, which is this one right here. RAM preview. Okay. That looks good. All right. So I just need to actually render this out now, since I'm content with the video and all. I just need to go to composition, drop down here, and there's one option here that says add to render queue. That's the one we want. Okay. So now you can see here it says comp 1, which is up here. This is part of the render queue. And these are the settings that we have to pick from for our rendering. So right now it says best settings. Let's go ahead and open that up, take a look at that. Right now it's qualities at best. I just put a draft. I think that best for this particular rendering is a little too much. Resolution is full. That's fine. Read only. All this stuff is okay. Okay. All right. We open these up and expand these out and see what's going on, but that's all good. Okay. We're going to go to output module. Let's check out this. Is right now it's on lossless. It's over here. It says format. Right now it says for format we have AVI listed. That's not what I want. AVI is too dense for what I wanted to use it for. So I'd say either an MP4 or a QuickTime video. Let's just go with QuickTime. Go to OK. And now for the output 2, right now it says comp1.movie. Let's figure out where this is going to. Desktop. Yeah, I can just have it go to the desktop for right now. That's fine. If I want to be a stickler, I might go to my project folders and dump it into my movies. But for right now, yeah, we'll just put it right there. So we'll call this one Plural Solar System. Okay. We'll go ahead and hit save. And now we just have to render. Just this little button right here. And After Effects will take over and batch render out your video. Now, when you're done here, you're pretty much done. If you want to save your project and so you can go back and mess with it later, you can do so. Just go to File afterwards and save yourself an AE file. That's all there really is to that. Okay. Looks like this may take a while to process all the way out. This is like 2 minutes possibly. Yeah, I'm not going to sit here and torture you guys with watching the video all the way to the render process all the way to the end. But when you're done, it'll output an actual movie file, and it'll dump it right onto your desktop. Yeah, that's all there really is to it. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any other questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will address them when you do. If not, I guess I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.